Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect your children on the internet with Qustodio, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by downloading the Qustodio app from your device's app store. Install the app on the device you want to monitor. Once installed, open Qustodio and create a new account if you don't have one already. Follow the prompts to enter your email address and create a password. After logging in, you will be guided to set up your family profile. Add your child's device by selecting Add Device on the dashboard. Choose the type of device you are adding from the options provided. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the Qustodio app on your child's device. Once the installation is complete, return to your parent dashboard on your device. In the dashboard, you will see the device listed under your family profile. Now, set time limits by selecting time limits from the menu options. Choose the days and hours during which your child can use their device. To set restrictions on specific apps, navigate to that apps section on the dashboard. Select the apps you want to limit and adjust the settings accordingly. Next, go to the web filtering option to filter out inappropriate content. You can customize the categories of websites that you want to block. To monitor your child's activity, click on Activity Reports on your dashboard. Check the logs to see which websites and apps your child has been using. This will allow you to see where your child is using their device. Consider discussing the settings with your child to promote open communication. Regularly check in on the Qustodio dashboard to stay updated on your child's online activities. As your child grows, you can adjust the settings to match their maturity level. By following these steps, you can create a safer online environment for your children. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.